JMC, Zhongling Motors Corporation, is a well-established Chinese automobile manufacturer known for its commercial vehicles, particularly trucks. The company has gained recognition for producing reliable, cost-effective, and versatile trucks that cater to a wide range of industries. Over the years, JMC has built a strong reputation in both domestic and international markets by continuously improving its truck models to meet the evolving demands of logistics, construction, and transportation sectors. The history of JMC dates back to the early 20th century, but it officially became Zhongling Motors Corporation in 1968. Since then, it has grown into a prominent player in China's automotive industry. A significant factor contributing to JMC's success is its collaboration with global automobile giants such as Ford Motor Company. This partnership has helped JMC enhance its technological capabilities, improve production standards, and expand its product lineup to compete in both domestic and international markets. JMC trucks are now exported to numerous countries, particularly in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and South America. JMC trucks are designed to serve various industries, offering a balance of affordability, durability, and fuel efficiency. One of the key strengths of JMC trucks is their ability to withstand rough terrains and heavy loads while maintaining optimal performance. This makes them particularly popular among small and medium-sized businesses looking for dependable commercial vehicles. The company's product portfolio includes light-duty, medium-duty, and heavy-duty trucks, as well as specialized vehicles designed for specific industries such as waste management, refrigerated transportation, and emergency response. Among the most popular models in JMC's lineup is the JMC Carrying Series, which includes a range of light and medium-duty trucks designed for urban deliveries and logistics operations. These trucks are widely used in cities due to their compact size, maneuverability, and fuel efficiency. They are often equipped with advanced features such as modern infotainment systems, ergonomic cabins, and efficient engine options that comply with global emission standards. The Carrying Series has been particularly successful in emerging markets where cost-effective and reliable trucks are in high demand. In the heavy-duty segment, JMC offers trucks capable of handling large cargo loads and long-haul transportation needs. These trucks are engineered with robust chassis, powerful engines, and advanced safety features to ensure reliability and efficiency. Many of these heavy-duty trucks are equipped with diesel engines that offer excellent fuel economy while delivering high torque for challenging driving conditions. JMC's heavy-duty trucks are commonly used in industries such as construction, mining, and large-scale logistics operations. JMC's commitment to innovation is evident in its adoption of new technologies aimed at improving vehicle performance, safety, and environmental sustainability. The company has been investing in the development of electric and hybrid trucks to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly commercial vehicles. These new generation trucks aim to reduce carbon emissions and operational costs, making them an attractive option for businesses looking to transition to sustainable transportation solutions. JMC's electric trucks are particularly suited for urban delivery services where zero-emission vehicles are increasingly required to comply with local environmental regulations. One of the factors that have contributed to JMC's success is its extensive service and dealership network. The company has established a strong presence in many countries, offering after-sales services, spare parts, and maintenance support to ensure the longevity of its vehicles. This widespread support network makes JMC trucks a preferred choice for businesses that require reliable and easily serviceable commercial vehicles. The availability of spare parts and technical assistance ensures that JMC trucks remain operational for extended periods, minimizing downtime and improving overall productivity. JMC has also gained recognition for its customer-centric approach, continuously gathering feedback from truck operators and fleet managers to improve its products. The company frequently updates its models to incorporate new safety features, enhanced driving comfort, and better fuel efficiency. Some of the latest models come equipped with intelligent driving assistance systems, modern dashboard displays, and ergonomic seating arrangements to enhance the driving experience. These improvements have helped JMC trucks remain competitive in an industry where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are paramount. Another major advantage of JMC trucks is their affordability. Compared to other international truck brands, JMC offers competitive pricing without compromising on quality. This makes them an attractive option for businesses looking for cost-effective transportation solutions. The lower initial purchase cost, coupled with efficient fuel consumption and affordable maintenance, allows businesses to maximize their return on investment. This has been one of the key reasons for JMC's growing popularity in developing markets where budget constraints are a significant consideration for fleet operators. JMC's success is also attributed to its focus on robust engineering and quality control. The company follows stringent manufacturing processes to ensure that its trucks meet global standards. JMC's production facilities are equipped with modern assembly lines and quality assurance systems that enable the company to produce trucks with high precision and reliability. The use of high-quality materials in the manufacturing process ensures that JMC trucks can endure tough working conditions and last for many years with minimal mechanical issues. In addition to conventional trucks, JMC also manufactures specialized vehicles to cater to niche markets. These include fire trucks, ambulances, refrigerated trucks, and sanitation vehicles. The company customizes these vehicles according to specific industry requirements, ensuring that they meet regulatory standards and operational needs. JMC's expertise in producing specialized vehicles has allowed it to establish a presence in various government and private sector projects where reliable and durable vehicles are essential. JMC's expansion into international markets has been a key part of its growth strategy. The company has successfully entered numerous countries by offering trucks that cater to local market needs. In some regions, JMC has partnered with local distributors to establish assembly plants and service centers, allowing it to offer competitive pricing and better customer support. This localized approach has helped JMC build trust with customers and expand its global footprint. The growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental regulations has pushed JMC to explore greener technologies. The company has introduced hybrid and electric truck models that offer lower emissions while maintaining high efficiency. Governments and businesses worldwide are increasingly looking for eco-friendly transportation solutions, and JMC's investment in green technology positions it well for future market demands. Some of its electric trucks are designed for last-mile delivery, helping companies reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining operational efficiency. JMC's ability to adapt to changing market trends and customer demands has been one of its strongest attributes. By continuously innovating and expanding its product lineup, the company has managed to stay ahead in the competitive commercial vehicle industry. Its strong research and development division plays a crucial role in ensuring that JMC trucks remain relevant in an ever-evolving market. Looking ahead, JMC is likely to continue expanding its presence in both domestic and international markets by focusing on sustainability, innovation, and customer satisfaction. The company's commitment to producing high-quality, reliable, and cost-effective trucks has cemented its position as one of the leading truck manufacturers in China and beyond. As the demand for commercial vehicles grows, JMC is well positioned to meet the needs of businesses across various industries with its diverse range of trucks and specialized vehicles. JMC's journey from a local truck manufacturer to a globally recognized brand reflects its dedication to quality and innovation. With an extensive portfolio of commercial vehicles, a strong service network, and a focus on emerging technologies, JMC is set to play a significant role in the future of the trucking industry. Whether it's for small businesses, large logistics companies, or government projects, JMC trucks continue to offer reliable and efficient solutions that cater to a wide range of transportation needs. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.